The machine has a steel barrel, a screw, feeder, a rotary cutter, a heating system, and a control panel. The machine works by mixing the corn flour with water and feeding it into the barrel. The machine has a stainless steel body, a powerful motor, and a sharp blade that can shave the ice quickly and smoothly. To make ice snow cones, we need to fill the machine with water or ice blocks and turn it on. The machine will start to shave the ice and collect it in a container. We then use a scoop or a cone to take some ice and put it in a cup or a bowl. We then add some flavored syrups on top of the ice to give it color and taste. We can choose from different flavors, such as strawberry, mango, lemon, chocolate, etc. By following these steps of making ice snow cones and corn puffs using commercial machines, we have made tasty treats that are perfect for any occasion. It satisfies customers' cravings by providing them with refreshing, sweet, and savory snacks. It supports creativity and innovation by using different machines, flavors, and toppings to make these treats. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about making ice snow cones and corn puffs using commercial machines. If you did, please like, share, follow our page for more amazing videos like this one. Thank you for watching.